Every successful business operates on a model, a structure that defines how ideas become execution and execution becomes revenue. When that model is clearly defined, management operates with precision, teams move with alignment, and outcomes become predictable. InvictusPro iCore engine is the operating system designed to tie together the owner's business model. It transforms your business model into a fully executable, observable, and scalable execution system with precision. It defragments workflow systems and provides the layered architecture for complete control and structure. Layer 1 creates a simple and structured system to enumerate the needs of your company's organizational management. Layer 2 designs HR elements that clock, monitor, and calculate time management and costs associated with employees, technicians, vendors, and supply chains, feeding directly into accounting assets. Layer 3 develops systematic workflows based on corporate governance and department management processes. Layer 4 provides a comprehensive timeline capability that records every process, giving management and owners broad telemetry over employees, costs, workflows, and teams, while identifying potential bottlenecks with precision. Layer 5 develops the framework to take products and designs to market through integrated sales and project management. It includes a dashboard that envelops the complete case file lifecycle with a cost control algorithm, detailed telemetry down to individual employee and owner costs, and wraps everything into a precise closeout invoice with employee costs, project expenses, and vendor costs. The system aggregates projects and case files into a complete architecture of record. It manages business structures and workflows through intentional classification of each role-based access control handoff, with full process records, time and date stamp audit interfaces, telemetry tracking, and KPI visibility. This entire development is wrapped into an algorithm-based system that provides mass dataset management and batch processing for fast-track operations from small local businesses to large multinational enterprises. This is the InvictusPro iCore engine operating software. Built on a deterministic foundation, it is engineered for precise AI integration at every level, delivering deeper telemetry and automation for owners and management. InvictusPro iCore engine. Execute your business model exactly as designed. One complete system, full control, full visibility, full scalability.